What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? It's cereal. It's cereal. Is it good? Oh, you're such a big boy now. Open up. Is it good? Is it good? We just do a little bit tonight. This is new for mommy. Gotta open up. It's a spoon. Are you not sure? Are you not sure? Can we get a smile? He's like, it's okay. Did he spit it out? Is it good? You're starting to get it. Here we go. We'll have this video forever. He's so... You open? Is that good? Well, this is why we wear a bib. What do you think? You're getting it. You're really good with the video camera. You like that one. Mama's gonna have to put some shiny colors on the other end of it. So you look at it, you're like, ooh, video camera. Seriously, he's like, Dad, what are you letting her do to me? Mommy missed. I think that happens. I think you're doing really good. You chew. There you go. So it's December 22nd, 3 days before Christmas, and Gary's having his first rice cereal. Do you want some more? Are you done? I think we're done, Daddy.